Watches have been symbol of status and style, the most popular being mechanical wristwatch, which still have its own charm and essence. The complex the machinery and craftsmanship, the costlier is the watch. Many companies have been producing watches since almost a century. So here are the top 10 most popular luxury brands of watches that people buy, irrespective of the ranking given. Breitling was founded in Bernese, Jura by Leon Breitling in 1884. The company fits certified chronometers in all models. Watches are usually marketed towards either diving, super ocean, or aviation navitimer. The styling of Breitling watches is characterized by polished cases, bracelets, and large watch faces, which are designed to improve readability. Many models have an automatic winding mechanism that is purely mechanical and frequently have complications. Tissot was founded in 1853 by Charles Félicien Tissot and his son in the Swiss city of Le Locle. Tissot is an official timekeeper for the World Championships in cycling, motorcycling, fencing, and ice hockey, etc. For early events, handheld stopwatches were sufficient to provide official timings. Today, Tissot works with various sporting bodies to develop systems to produce ever more accurate timings for specific events. Longines is a Swiss luxury watchmaker based in Saint-Omer, Switzerland, founded by Auguste Agassiz in 1832. The company has been a subsidiary of the Swiss Swatch Group since 1983. Its winged hourglass logo, which was registered in 1889, is the oldest unchanged yet still active registered trademark. From the time Longines developed its first chronograph movement in 1878, the brand steadily built strong relationships with various sporting organizations, events, and teams worldwide. Omega is a Swiss luxury watchmaker based in Biel, Switzerland. Founded by Louis Brandt in 1848, incorporating the name Omega in 1903, becoming Omega Watch and Company. Britain's Royal Flying Corps chose Omega watches in 1917 as its official timekeepers for its combat units, as did the US Army in 1980. Omega watches were the choice of NASA and the first watch on the moon in 1969. In addition, Omega has been the official timekeeping device of the Olympic Games since 1932. James Bond has worn it in film since 1995. Patek Philippe is a Swiss luxury watch and clock manufacturer founded in 1839, located in Canton of Geneva. Since 1932, it has been owned by the Stern family in Switzerland. Patek Philippe is one of the oldest watch manufacturers in the world with an uninterrupted watchmaking history since its founding. Patek Philippe is widely considered to be one of the most prestigious watch manufacturers in the world. As of December 2019, among the world's top 10 most expensive watches ever sold at auctions, 7 are Patek Philippe watches. Rolex is a Swiss luxury watch manufacturer based in Geneva, Switzerland. Originally founded as Wilsdorf and Davis by Hans Wilsdorf and Alfred Davis in London, England in 1905, the company registered Rolex as the brand name of its watches in 1908 and became Rolex Watch Company Limited in 1915. Rolex is the largest manufacturer of Swiss-made certified chronometers. To date, Rolex still holds the record for the most certified chronometer movements in the category of wristwatches. TAG Heuer. The company was founded in 1860 by Eduard Heuer in Saint-Omer, Switzerland. In 1985, TAG Group purchased a majority stake in the company, forming TAG Heuer. In 2007, TAG Heuer won the IF Product Design Award for its Monaco Caliber 360 LS concept chronograph. The award was given away by the International Forum Design Hanover, held in Hanover, Germany. The watch received the award in the lifestyle category. It was chosen among more than 2,200 timepieces presented by watchmakers from 35 countries. Bulgari is an Italian luxury brand known for its jewelry, watches, fragrances, accessories, and leather goods. Bulgari was founded in the region of Epirus, Greece in 1884 by the silversmith Soterios Bulgaris as a single jewelry shop that has over the years become an international brand. The company has evolved into a player in the luxury market. The company's Swiss subsidiary Bulgari Haute Horlogerie is responsible for Bulgari's watch production. It was founded in 1980 and is headquartered in Neuchâtel. Audemars Piguet is a Swiss manufacturer of luxury mechanical watches and clocks, headquartered in Les Brasses, Switzerland. The company was founded by Jules Louis Audemars and Edward Auguste Piguet in 1875. In the 1970s, it rose to an important position in watchmaking industry, especially after introducing the Royal Oak collection, and produces around 40,000 timepieces annually. A. Lange & Söhne is a German manufacturer of luxury and prestige watches. The company was originally founded by Ferdinand Adolf Lange in Germany in 1845. It is a highly regarded watch manufacturer. Lange watches boast distinctive Glashütte style in appearance and design, which is closer to the classic British style and is different from Swiss styles. All watches contain mechanical rather than quartz movements. Lange is known for its complicated watches, including chronographs and split seconds chronographs and perpetual calendars. The company employs hand finishing for all their pieces. The hand engraved balance cork is the brand's signature technique. So we hope you enjoyed our collection of watches. If you have any suggestions, then do write to us. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Until next time, bye bye.